what's your most embarrassing memory at Manchester?
One of my very first lectures that I opened my laptop and Netflix was playing out loud, which just wasn't the best, yeah. Hi, I'm Jan. I do BA Social Sciences, specifically Sociology and Criminology.
What is BA Social Sciences?
BAS, or BA Social Sciences, is a really interdisciplinary course where you can take up to 6 subjects, so kind of sociology, criminology, philosophy, politics, data analytics, or social anthropology. And you can kind of pick and choose from each one of the subjects. In first year, you'll have a 2-week rotation through each one of the 6 subjects. And then in kind of second and third year, you can narrow down into 2 or 1 of your selected pathways, essentially.
That sounds great. How do you balance your time on this program?
It's quite easy to balance your time. It's mostly independent learning. You do have 9 contact hours more if you want to book in with your academic advisor or your seminar tutor to have a one-on-one. But otherwise, it's quite doable. Definitely just kind of staying on track, making sure that you know when your assessment deadlines are and just being ahead of things.
What's your favourite part about studying BA Social Sciences at Manchester?
My favorite part is definitely the choice that you have, the real freedom of choice. It's one of the courses with the most choice across the 3-year program. You can also go beyond social sciences, beyond the program. I'm doing 2 of them in kind of entrepreneurship, business related subjects. So really interesting, yeah.
Why did you choose the University of Manchester then?
I chose the University of Manchester partially for the course. It's the most interdisciplinary course that I found within the social sciences, where you can really pick and choose from so many different disciplines and then kind of really mold your degree. Otherwise, for Manchester, I wanted a student city. It's the largest UK campus-based university. Also, it's right next to the city centre, so you kind of get a bit of both from a city university and a campus-based university, because you're not out in the middle of nowhere, but you're also not in kind of the heart of the city, where I guess you're kind of overshadowed and not quite as much of a university. So that was really a big factor for me.
That sounds great. Jan with the facts. Wow. So having said that, what is your favourite memory having studied at Manchester?
My favourite memory would definitely be being president of the BAS, or BA Social Sciences Society. We had a summer ball, which was across 4 societies, had 300 students come. The other event that we planned was the School of Social Sciences Careers and Employability Conference, which was across every single social science society at the university, which I think was 9 or 10 societies, plus some academic staff as well. We wanted to break the mold of getting social science students into, let's say, civil service or public sector jobs or teaching, and really broaden their horizons into what other careers they could go into. So
speaking of careers, what are your plans after you graduate?
With social sciences, you have to, and especially the BAS, the BA Social Sciences degree, you have to realize that it's much more about the transferable skills. So I think really having kind of an open application of looking at multiple different career paths, because especially when you look at graduate schemes, anything from consulting to insurance to even some banking ones, they'll just ask for any degree to a certain level. So whether it's a 2-1 or a 2-2, that's really the only criteria that they ask for. Otherwise, it's an open application, so you can really just look at any career path that you want. So I'm personally looking at kind of consulting and insurance, some civil service as well. But yeah, we'll see what happens.
The world is your oyster.
Yeah.
What advice would you have for somebody applying to study BA Social Sciences at Manchester?
Put yourself out there. I think Manchester is a very social city. I would definitely say to get involved in societies as early as possible. I think the Students' Union has the most societies out of any Students' Union in the UK. Everybody's on the same boat. Everybody is there to make friends. Everybody's new. So definitely just put yourself out there.